What's up guys, this is Amit and today I'm unboxing the brand new Tudor Black Bay Bronze. So as you can see from the bag, I bought this watch from a shop called Burrell's. They are an independent luxury jeweler based in and around London, and they also sell premium and high-end luxury watches. In fact, Burrell's was the only shop which had the 2019 Tudor Black Bay Bronze in stock, and I know this firsthand because I was on 4 different waiting lists, including one with Harrods in London. So having said that, there is the box itself. On the outside you get the classic Tudor shield logo in red with the brand name in white underneath, and let's get straight into the box and see what we get inside. On the box inside you again have a very subtle Tudor shield logo. Let's just open this up, and straight away there's the watch itself, but let's just put that aside for a second and look at what else comes in the box. So you get your usual documentation, which includes the guarantee booklet. This watch as standard comes with a 2-year international guarantee, and this booklet explains you all about that. And the next thing you can see there comes with a brief user guide for Tudor's diver watches, and this explains you things like how to set the time, what the screw positions are, and how the unidirectional bezel works and stuff like that. And the last thing you get in the documentation is that bit, the card there, which has the reference number of the watch and some personal details about this purchase. So I'm not going to show you that on camera, but that's pretty much all you get in terms of documentation inside the box. And so with that, let's leave that aside and look at the watch itself. Like I said, this is a 2019 Tudor Black Bay Bronze in Slate Grey color option. This was literally announced a couple of months ago at the Bezel World 2019. And as you can see there, this is on the fabric strap. You also can get this watch in the leather strap, and I did try that, but my personal preference, I like the fabric strap more, and I especially love this golden thread which runs the length of the strap. And in terms of key features, this is a 43mm bronze case. It's Tudor's proprietary bronze aluminum alloy, which means it is allowed to age to a certain level, so it should never really go that stupid algae green. Other features include the characteristic snowflake hands, and it also has the unidirectional rotating bezel, which is finished in sort of darkish grey, maybe close to black, to match the dial. And I'm sure you can see the gradient on the dial there. Absolutely beautiful. Starts off very dark on the outside of the dial and finishes with a lightish grey towards the middle of the watch. And on the sides here you can see you get the Tudor rose logo on the crown itself. And with that, let me just take my current watch off from my wrist so we can try the Tudor. Absolutely delighted to have got this watch, and I just cannot wait to see the unique patina develop on the bronze case. But let me just try this on and show you guys how it looks on my wrist. So there we go, that's how it sits on my wrist. Again, like I said, the fabric strap sat much better on my wrist because I also did try the leather one. So yeah, and with that we pretty much covered the quick unboxing video of my brand new Tudor Black Bay Bronze. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. There will obviously be more videos on this watch coming soon. If you have any specific questions or something you would like me to cover in future videos, please do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys.